Every morning, while most of the people are still in their dreamland, I've kickstarted my day going to the wet market to search for quality and fresh raw ingredients. We believe that only the freshness of raw ingredients will satisfy our customer. Quality assurance is what we always emphasize and uncompromised. All our food preparation is carefully handled. Hygiene is our responsibility. In Roy King, we use sous vide cooking method to ensure the juiciness and tenderness of our food, presenting the best gourmet food to our customer. With Roy King's Packed Food, cooking is fun. With our easy cooking steps prepared, you can easily cook a gourmet meal for yourself or our family. You are the star, chef. Roy King, the next food revelation.